Our next ingredient is 1 cup of lightly packed dark brown sugar. You know what's great about this? I'm really excited. So if you live in this area and you get your brown sugar and it's the Rogers brand, you know, the Rogers in the bag, the clear bag. It used to be, they had 3 varieties. It used to be golden sugar, brown sugar, and demerara sugar. And what do I always put in my recipes? Exactly as I put in this one. I put dark brown sugar because I don't want you to use golden sugar. Golden sugar doesn't have enough flavor. And people buy golden sugar thinking it's brown sugar. It's not brown sugar. It doesn't even say brown sugar on the package. It says golden sugar. So I always put dark brown sugar. And you know what Rogers has done just recently? Go and grab your package of brown sugar. Go look at it. If you bought it fairly recently, it says on there, not brown sugar, it says dark brown sugar. I love this. I love this. This is great. They took my advice. Somebody from Rogers must have been to one of my classes and said, we got to change that. Oh, they make me so proud. I am so happy because people now know, and I can just keep writing my recipes, dark brown sugar, and they just buy it. Hey, it says dark brown sugar. It doesn't say golden, right? Don't use that golden stuff. Oh, this is great. Really, really good. So let's add that after all that conversation, that 1 cup of lightly packed dark brown sugar.